Welcome to Money Talk with Alex. In today's video, I'm going to show you a site where you can earn 1,000 naira, at least 1,000 naira per day. In fact, you don't need anything, you don't need any investment, you don't need to pay in any money, just free. It's extra free for you to do, so you can make money. You can also make money by referral also. So today I'm going to show you this website. I discovered it myself. After this video, I'm going to rush back to the place to start doing some things to earn money too. But I just deem it necessary to share it with you, my fans too. The name of the website is called Proficient Workers. You can see it. This is how you go about it. So I scroll gently. So you sign in. If you want to, you sign up for it. Your name, last name, username, email, password, confirm password, and then if you have a file, you can put it in. Then you register. After then, just log in here and start. So I've done my own. I've registered. I've signed up. Let me see. This is my wallet. Let me show you my wallet. This is the wallet. This is my wallet. It says 208,000 plus task completed. Fund your wallet. Proficient Worker is a freelance outsourcing and crowdsourcing marketplace. Look at my wallet. You can see I have zero earning because I've not done anything, but I can fund my wallet to bank transfer, Flutterwave and Paystack. So the minimum cash out is 1,750 total earning. So if you want to cash out your money after you've made 1,750 or more than that, you can just press payment request and you do that. So this is it. This is my wallet. So referrals, let me quickly tell you what to do or what you need to know about referrals. Just click on it. So we see this is referral. You earn money through referrals too. See if you bring in somebody in to post a job, you will get 5% of the commission. If you bring somebody else in also to complete task, the person's earning for each successful job your members complete, you will earn 5% too. So you can earn money to it. You can just read through it so that you understand it better. Let me open my dashboard. This is my dashboard here. Let me click on it so you can quickly see what it entails. Because I'm in haste now, I want to quickly go over to make some money from this site. So look at it. Post a job. If you are a social media influencer, maybe you want likes on your Instagram, Facebook, TikTok and all of that, you can post a job here so that people can follow you, install app, retweet your tweets and all of that, or subscribe to your YouTube or watch videos for you, or anything you want them to do, they are readily available for you to do. But if you want to make money, this is where you come to perform simple tasks, see available job. So this is where you take survey, write honest review, test people's app and follow on social media accounts and all of that. Let's see. This is my dashboard. I've not done anything, so I'm hurrying to that place after this video to make some money too. Look, so your referral links, that is if you want to refer your friends, you can quickly come to this place to copy the link to send to them. So let's see available jobs. Okay, let me click on it quickly. Available jobs. These are the jobs that are available. See it? See 31 naira, 48 naira, 48 naira, 48 naira. I tell you, you can make over 1,000 naira a day if you are consistent. Look at it. Just see, just for sign up 46 naira, piggyvest sign up 44 naira, orchid 60 naira. Start earning on paid era 10 naira. Look, so let me say if you want to do a task now, just come over to this place, view, just click on it, click on view. So it's loading. Okay, so this is what you are required to do. See, start earning in dollar, what is expected of you, only for new users. See, log on to this place, sign up for free account, send a screenshot of your verified account showing in green color. That's after you have completed the job. Require proof that task was completed. This is what the person wants. Send the screenshot of your verified account in green color. That's all. So you upload it, you choose a file, you click on this place to choose the file that you screenshot on your camera or your gallery. So you upload it to the person, then you submit your proof. Okay, that is that. So this is the job summary for that person. The person will be paying 10 naira. 26 out of 169 have been completed. So 26 people have done it, remaining over 100 people also. So email submit only. So this is what the person requires. So you can do a lot. So let me say it's my profile. I think I've showed you it. So all I want to tell you about proficientworkers.com, I deem it necessary to bring it your way so that you too can earn money from it also. If you find my video educative enough, please, I want you to support me by commenting down below so that I can be encouraged to make more videos for us. So please comment down below, like the video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get other videos that will be coming up. Thank you, much love. See you in the next video. Alex love you.